Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to simply change the color of image background. Okay, so looking at this image, I've already created or done with my retouching. Okay, retouching this image. So that's why you see those layers. My frequency separation layer already enmeshed already. So you select that your layer, then you have to select the subject. So first you do select the subject, which you go the selection mode. You leave Photoshop to do the magic. It's going to take some time, but it will definitely load. Okay. Alright, so you have the selection mode, but it may not be accurate. So as you can see, those portion is left out. Okay guys, so at this point I'm going to speed up the video a little bit. See you in a bit. Once your selection is done, hit Ctrl+Shift+I to invert your selection. Then, when it's been done, you move to your adjustment hue and saturation. You click on the adjustment layer. You create a clipping mask to it. Then take this colorize. You're good to go. Now your background. Now any color adjustment you made here will affect your background, not your subject, and you can play around with the colors here to get a suitable color. And the lightness is where how dark or lighter you want the color to be, the background to be. So play around with the colors. Then you have the hue and the saturation. So the hue and the colors you have, and the saturation is how deep or intense you want the color to be. So there you have it. So you can just play around with this to get any color you want. So if you think it's too light, you bring it down. If it's too dark, you turn it up a little bit to get whatever that will suit your image or whatever you're looking for. Okay, so I think it's very simple. So that's all for today guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up so that other people can also get to watch this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Follow us for more. I'll come again same time with more tips. Bye.